Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
The topic is develop the Bluetooth network of three devices, namely laptop, mobile, keyboard to transfer a file. And our group members are Sairaj Kulkarni, Supriya Kamble, Prathamesh Dimble, Vijay Shivarkar, under the guidance of Professor Ujjwala ma'am. Now, the first of all, we are going to see the Bluetooth architecture as well as its working. Now, the first thing is that well established technology like Bluetooth is used to provide wireless connectivity from wireless headphones to mobile phones, laptop, and mice of a wireless computer to a lot of the other devices which need a short range of connectivity. This technology has developed and expanded drastically to provide not only the fixed short range audio streaming in the application of M2M communication and mesh connectivity of IoT. This technology provides better flexibility, very fast speed, and far more capability. This is the overview of the Bluetooth. Now, I'm going to tell you the Bluetooth technology as well as its connections. Now, this Bluetooth technology is a high speed, low power wireless technology link that is designed to connect phones or other portable equipments. Now, I'm going to tell you its specification. Now, the specification IEEE 802.15.1 for the use of low power radio communication to link phones, computers, and other network devices over short distances without wires. Now, this wireless signal transmitted with Bluetooth covers short distance, typically up to 30 feet 10 meters. It is achieved by embedded low cost transceivers into the devices. It supports the frequency band of 2.45 GHz and can support 721 kbps along with three voice channels. Okay. Now the connection. Generally, the devices which are connected through Bluetooth are very secure from hacking as they work with different frequency, and a device which jumps between two frequencies where 100 times for every second, which is called a frequency hopping spread. The device is frequently used for connecting mobile devices, otherwise fixed devices, but it is also working to link a printer, otherwise the mouse, towards the computer. As Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are frequently complementary, so they work at the same time and provides the same connectivity. So you cannot find out how hardware is connected. Most tablets, computers, smartphones simply permit connecting with one device, that is Bluetooth enabled a time to a spectrum. Now, the working of this Bluetooth principle. Now, this Bluetooth network consists of personal area network or a TCONet, which contains a minimum 2 to 8 maximum Bluetooth per devices, usually a single master and up to 7 slaves. A master is a device traffic between itself and slave device associated with it. The frequency hopping sequence is defined by the Bluetooth devices, which is BDADDR of the master device. Now the Bluetooth architecture. Now the Bluetooth architecture contains the two network, which is a Piconet network and the Scatternet network. Now the Piconet is one of the kind of wireless network that includes one main node, namely the master node, as well as the seven energetic secondary nodes are known as the slave nodes and the scatter net. Now, the formation of the scatter network can be done through the various pike nodes. On one pike node, a slave is present which act as a master. Otherwise, it can be called as a primary with other pike nodes. So, the type of nodes that get a message from the master within pike node and transmit the message towards its in another pike node whenever it works like a slave. Thank you.
My name is Prathamesh Dimble. and I am explaining types of Bluetooth. This technology eliminates the necessity of wires and cables. At present, this technology has seen a fast growth of Bluetooth enabled devices. Keyboard. The Bluetooth enabled keyboard mainly works like a normal keyboard without using wires to connect the device to a PC. This keyboard also functions through particular smartphone device. Headsets. The most commonly known device is the Bluetooth headset. Generally, a headset allows a person to make as well as receive calls through a mobile phone without using your hands, otherwise wires. These headsets are prepared with voice recognition, thus one can dial and talk without utilizing a mobile headset. The Bluetooth specifications include the following. Core specification. It defines the Bluetooth protocol stack and the requirements for testing a qualification of Bluetooth based product. The profiles selection. It defines usage models that provide detailed information about how to use the Bluetooth protocol for various types of applications. How Bluetooth operates. These devices should connect with each other for data exchange in a safe way with encryption. Once the Bluetooth device approaches a range of another device, then an electronic conversion can be occurred to decide whether they believe each other or not, so that data can be shared. Here, electronic conversion can be done wirelessly without operating a device. The different peripherals like smartwatches, activity trackers have connected toward similar essential devices like smartphones from a Piconet to a PAN personal area network that may fill a whole building or may include a distance not above that among the smartphone within your pocket and the smartwatches on your wrist.
I'm going to explain you the important applications. Now the cordless desktop, all of or the most of the peripheral devices, for example, the mouse, keyboard, printer, speakers, etc., are connected to the PC cordlessly. Ultimate headset. It can be used to allow one headset to be used with myriad devices, including the telephones, the portable computers, stereos, etc. Now, automatic synchronization. This uses models make use of the hidden computing paradigm, which focuses on application in which devices automatically carry out certain tasks on behalf of the user without using of awareness multimedia. Now I'm going to tell you the transfer process. Now the exchanging it exchanges the multimedia data such as songs, videos, pictures can be transferred among the devices by using this Bluetooth technology. Thank you.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.